That's the old bridge.
Yes, the Grand Canal of Murano.
Yeah.
This is the museum, the glass museum.
Oh.
When the bishop he was one of the most important palaces in Murano. Here lived the bishop of Torcello here in 1685 until 1885.
Then he moved to Venice.
I moved to
Yeah?
San Pietro.
Who is the priest in St. Mark's?
St. Marco is
Not a bishop?
there's the patriarch.
Patriarch. Oh.
And this is the old basilic of Murano. This was the oldest part of Murano. This is a little bit. It's not old like back when in Torcello, but one of the oldest in the lagoon.
Ah.
It's 12th century.
Really?
12th century.
That's pretty old.
Yes. There was a smaller one of 7th century, but more or less the same date of Torcello, but smaller.
See.
After the community of Murano became bigger and more rich, so they decided to build this new church in the 12th century. That's very, very important for the apsid. This is the apsid of the church. Something interesting that the church was thought like a walk of a man. So the apsid, the back of a church is always toward east.
Oh yeah, that's right. Huh.
And the facade is toward west. So because the walk of the man was from the west to the east. The east was the sunrise. No?
Right.
So it was the paradise, the world of Christ. So it was thought to a walk approaching to the paradise. And so
really?
the apsid was always very, very
so that's why they chose to go the other direction instead of...
Wow. Yes. The canals once arrived until much more close to the church. After they filled in a little bit. And it was very amazing when they arrived, the columns and the brick had a very reflex on the water. People were it's one of the Byzantine and Romantic style.
Oh, yeah, it looks like a
That's typical
Byzantine.
of that
Well, it's a basilica, not a cathedral, right?
It was a basilica.
Yeah, with a Greek cross.
Yeah, it is, yes. You see? No, Greek cross was now because they changed. Original was a Greek cross. After we changed it.
Oh, stretch it? Oh, okay.
Change a little bit, yes. It's a Latin cross.
Oh, okay.
It's very the typical. It's like Venice miniature. No? So
Yeah, same
what's
bridge.
the head?
Yeah. Yeah, bumped your head off there. Seems to be a huge boat for going through the canal.
Now there is a lot of social houses, normal houses. Once were very good palace.
Alright, if I step up here?
Yes.
That's a convent?
That was a lot of fun. Here usually they have all straight around every family has its own part of the road. Venice not. But here in Murano, almost every family has its own private road.
Lithuania,